Welcome back to Tablecloth Factory. In today's video, we are creating this modern Moody fall tablescape. Because we've kept it really simple with this tablescape, this can easily be used for a dinner party, a big birthday celebration, a Moody wedding reception, corporate Halloween, you name it. So if you're looking for something that gives off fall, but isn't your traditional pumpkin and leaves kind of look, then this is for you. First, I have this linen-like tablecloth. I like this because this is really the only thing on our table that's going to have much texture to it, and it's going to serve as a very neutral base. Now you could stick with your regular wood table and add maybe a black runner or a terracotta runner or even some sort of beige colored runner, but I wanted to start with a completely blank slate, so we went with the faux linen beige tablecloth. Next up, we've got these black acrylic charger plates. Now these are technically charger plates, but you can use them as dinner plates if you want. These are acrylic, so they're extremely durable, totally reusable. I went with just a plain kind of sleek look, but these come in tons of different patterns. So if you want something that's a little bit more geometric or you like a ruffled edge, then those are some options that you can use too. When thinking about this look, I knew I wanted terracotta napkins because I knew it would create a really nice contrast on top of the black charger plates. And I knew that I wanted to do more than simply lay the napkin on top. I wanted to fold them up in some way that was a little bit unique and interesting. And when I see terracotta and black together, I instantly think desert. So I wanted to create a desert rose. We do have a full tutorial on that, which we will link you to. Once you get it down the first time, it's really easy. And they just ended up looking really, really cool. And this is the only thing I would say that requires a little bit of attention and skill on this tablescape. I'm just gonna place them on the center of each plate. You wanna make sure that you're pulling out the bottoms as much as you can, the bottom pieces as much as you can, so that they are stable, so the napkin is stable, but also represents the leaves. These would look so cute on a Valentine's or Galentine's table. Okay, now we're gonna add a little drama to the table. Normally cutlery is not my favorite thing on a table, but I'm obsessed with these long stem black silverware. I think it's so sleek and so pretty and makes tables look so much more expensive than they actually are. I'm gonna do kind of a traditional table setting here with the fork and the knife on the outside, on the left side of the plate, and the spoon here on the right side. I'm just gonna repeat that on everything else. It sounds crazy, but we are actually almost done. Like I said, this table is very simple. The colors give it its personality, give it its moodiness, and actually the lack of florals and decorations give it that modern look as well. So we are keeping it simple and sweet. Next thing we're gonna add are these terracotta pillar candles, and I'm going to add 7 of them to the table. They come in a pack of 12, and I'm gonna start from the middle and then space them out, I'd say about 6 inches or so. We're just going straight down the line here. Next up, I have these really cool spiral taper candles. These come in a pack of 12, however, I'm only gonna use 6 today. I actually already had some black candle holders on hand, so that's what I decided to use. But you can use any form of black, terracotta, or even gold would go pretty well with this. Because the candle holders come in varying heights, I'm gonna start with the tallest ones in the middle, going on the outside of our middle pillar candle, and then I'm going to work my way out, going from tallest to shortest. The moment I think we're all really waiting for is to see these candles lit. And that's that. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and and we'll see you in the next video.